This workshop was about entrepreneurship and philosophy. As the UvA and especially as the UvA Student Career Centre, we think it's important to help students orientate on their careers, and also if that's something has to do with entrepreneurship. So we invited Fenanda, who is an entrepreneur and is a philosopher, to talk about her story and how she approaches clients and how she comes up with ideas on what she could do as a philosopher. It was a good source of information for students, so to get ideas and also to hear her story and also to get inspired a lot.
I have a certain view on how philosophers should go into the world and show their work and show their value, because organizations are not going to see it. We have to express it to the others why philosophy is valuable, and that actually society is in need of philosophers, in need of critical thinkers. And so I like giving these workshops and bringing you out in the world with your skills and that you are valuable.
Actually, I thought it was very interesting. It was about entrepreneurship, and in essence it's just about inventing new things that don't exist yet. And for a long time I thought it was a very commercial and material thing, but the more I got interested in it and got acquainted with it, I found that what an entrepreneur is about is changing the system that is material from the inside out. So we need entrepreneurs who work from a true message and not for the material. And I think this workshop really was inspiring to follow along that path.